Today I'm going to show you how to set up automations in Taskade. Automations in Taskade is really easy. So first of all, you can go ahead and type in your automation here. But let's say you've got a app that you have built or you're in the development stage of. Go ahead and open up that app or that project that you're working on. And now you will see your chat on the left hand side. This is the preview app, and you'll be able to see workspace. Now go ahead, click on workspace. Over here you'll see automations. You'll also see automations here at the bottom, so it'll be this icon here. Go ahead and click on that. Now there are a few ways to do this. First of all, you can generate a workflow with AI. You can also create your automation completely from scratch. And then you can see there are some predefined automations. Now, this is very simple. All you need to do is click on any one of them. Say you're going to click on Use Automation. This will implement this automation into your app that you're building or your space that you're using. Now, here you can see this is how it's broken down. So we have our trigger. Once you've clicked on this, you'll be able to see all of the details, and you can change them. So go ahead and click on each one of these drop down menus. You can create your trigger with some optional projects and then some optional blocks. You can also then change what happens after this trigger has been completed, and then you can add in as many steps as you'd like. You can edit all of this. Okay, once you're done, go ahead, click on save over here and then put it on. This is incomplete, so I just need to fill in these details, but that is the way to create automations. First of all, by using one of their templates. Let's just go back in here. If you're going to generate with AI, which I believe is the easiest, because all you have to do is explain what it is that you'd like to do. So just describe the workflow, your automation, your task, or whatever it is that you'd like to be having done, and the AI will literally do all of it for you. There we go. We can now use these automations in our apps. We can also save them and reuse them in different apps and spaces.